Features of the iPhone 14 Pro. Design. The iPhone 14 Pro is expected to have a new design with flat edges, similar to the iPhone 12 series. Display. It is rumored that the iPhone 14 Pro may feature an LTPO OLED display with a higher refresh rate of 120Hz or 144Hz. Camera. The iPhone 14 Pro may come with an upgraded camera system, including improved sensors, larger lenses, and advanced image processing capabilities. Processor. The device may feature a new and powerful A16 Bionic chip that offers faster performance and improved energy efficiency. 5G connectivity. Like its predecessors, the iPhone 14 Pro is likely to have 5G connectivity for faster internet speeds and improved network coverage. Battery life. The iPhone 14 Pro may come with a larger battery that provides longer battery life than previous models. Storage. The device is expected to have different storage options ranging from 128GB to 1TB. Operating system. The iPhone 14 Pro is likely to come with the latest version of iOS, which may include new features and improvements. It's important to note that these are only rumored features, and nothing has been officially confirmed by Apple. We will have to wait for the official release of the device to get a clearer picture of its features and capabilities. In this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.